guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing my FlipFit box. I really enjoyed it the first time that I did it, and it's a fairly new box to me, but I love it. It's something that you can purchase whenever you want or whenever you feel like it. I wanted to do this video because I want to let you know that I'm going to be unboxing a lot more boxes through the FlipFit app. So go follow me there if you want to see more of these unboxings. I know they've been coming out with a lot more fall stuff, so I'm hoping I got some nice fall stuff in this box today. And if you do have more questions on FlipBox, feel free to leave some comments down below. I'm going to link the first unboxing that I did with FlipBox above for you because I went into a lot more detail. So I think that video would be helpful if you're new to FlipFit. I will leave the FlipFit app link down in my description box in case you are interested in trying it out yourself. It's a great way to try clothes out before you buy, and they have some brands that we're very familiar with here like Free People, Astro the Label, Blank NYC. So yeah, don't forget to like this video if you're enjoying. Drinking my hot chocolate here. If you are new here, I do share fashion and styling videos with you every Monday and Friday. So if you want to see more from me, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell too if you want to be reminded when I share with you. This box is really heavy, by the way. You usually get to choose 10 to 12 items to get in your box, and they say to put at least 25 items in your closet in the app. That way they have a good amount to choose from in case something isn't available. This little envelope has your return label, and then there should also be prices in here. Yep. Ooh, this is really soft. This actually looks like a dress. It's from the brand Salty. The off-shoulder mini dress, size large, in brown, and this is $45. That's actually quite reasonable, and this feels really nice. I might have to wear shapewear underneath this though, and I am going to be showing you the outfits on as I go, just so you can see what it looks like. It's kind of like that t-shirt style, so it'd be kind of like a nice lounge dress, but it's a nice form-fitting style. So at first I was just a little bit confused with this dress because it has a little bit of an uneven shoulder. Yeah, I think that's right. I feel like this dress is a little harder to get away with just because I feel like my figure is kind of tricky almost. Like I feel like it's just not the most flattering in my stomach area, even though I am wearing shapewear. But that's just my thoughts. Even with shapewear, I feel like you could still see lines and stuff. So that's one thing that I don't like, but I like the idea. I really do. Okay, so I do remember putting this in my box. This is from the brand Hey You, size large, and this is $58. It's the fitted rib tank mini dress, and I loved this color. This burnt orange shade is just my favorite during the fall, and this would be so cute just layered with a sweater, a nice big oversized sweater. For this dress, I feel like I would feel more comfortable just with like a nice chunky cardigan, which is why I styled it that way because I really like it with a cozy look. Definitely recommend wearing shapewear because otherwise you're going to be struggling big time. The fabric is extremely comfortable. It's very stretchy. I love the color. The style is amazing. Definitely a figure hugging dress. So if you're uncomfortable with something like this, a nice chunky cardigan is definitely the way to go. The line and dot. It's like a satin cream blouse. It has ruffles at the bottom, and it is a lace-up style. The loose fit peplum lace-up top from Line & Dot. This is a size medium, and this is $97. It was a little more expensive than I was thinking, but it is Line & Dot, and they are very expensive. But, I mean, this does feel really nice. with this shirt, you could wear a tank top underneath it if you don't want as much skin showing, or you could wear like, I actually would probably wear this with a bralette next time. I'm just wearing a nude bra with this. This is kind of open, but it is really cute. I like it, and I especially love how soft it is. It feels very luxurious against your skin. You do have to take the time to lace this up. It's really comfortable and it is such a pretty style. This is a floral print kimono duster. It's from Band of Gypsies, size medium. This is $84, and I can understand that price point because this feels like really nice quality. I feel like it's so unique. I can appreciate something like this for that price tag. Even this is kind of a fun way to bring in fall because there's definitely a lot of fall colors in this. Definitely very different, but I really like it. It has like slits down the side, and this would actually look really pretty with a dress. It's very comfy, and look at all this detail. It's just so pretty. And then this is just what the back looks like. It's a little bit outside of my style as far as like things that I usually wear this time of the year, but if there ends up being a warmer day, I'll just wear like a light dress or maybe even a pair of shorts. This would be a fun outfit. I don't remember if I put this in my box or not, but I like the look of it. This is from Just Black Denim. It's a, hopefully it's, yes, it is a size 31. It's the high-rise Super Destroyed jeans. These are $74. I do think that that's reasonable for a good pair of jeans. So the overall fit of these jeans is actually quite comfortable. I would say they're more mid-rise on me than high-rise, but that is pretty typical. And I do like the amount of distress on here. I think it's a lot of fun. You can definitely come up with some nice cozy looks. I did feel that the price point was reasonable too. This is from Free People. It's a cropped sweater. It has a lot of crochet in there, so this would actually be really cute with a bralette or something, even like what I'm wearing today, just with a bralette underneath the cardigan. And I like it. The sleeves look perfect too. This is the knit button-up cardigan, Free People, size medium. This is $128. I feel like that's how much you sometimes spend on their dresses. That's a lot more pricey than I was expecting, but Free People can be that way sometimes. I'm gonna go try it on and see how much I fall in love with it. Cardigan is so pretty. I love how it pairs with this dress. Like typically I would probably wear high-waisted jeans, but I'm really into the midi dresses right now. I think they're just so feminine, very pretty. So I really like how these pair together. And it has such a pretty design on the whole sweater. Nice thick buttons if I do want to keep it shut. So I could do like a whole button-up look if I wanted to, and I feel like that would still look really nice, but overall, I am tempted to get this too because I really like it. This fabric is reminding me of a Love Shack fancy sweater that I've tried on before. It feels really soft. Oh, but the other thing is that you could get lots and lots of little wispy threads. This is a sweater from Band of Gypsies again. It's a size medium. It's a really pretty rosy pink. But look at these sleeves. Isn't that pretty? This is the Wool Blend ribbed cuff sweater from Band of Gypsies, size medium. This is $106. Once again, I think some of it might be that brand name. I could definitely see myself falling for something like this. like this look. I just like throwing sweaters on top of my favorite dresses, but this is so comfortable. I love it. And I like how the sleeves are just oversized, and I like how this outfit is just so casual. I love this shade of pink too. It's so girly. This looks like so much fun. This is from Band of Gypsies again. This is like a tassel cardigan. It's very different. It's very much a statement, but yeah, this is the open front faux fur jacket, and this is $115. That's actually not bad considering this is more of a heavier sweater. Like, this is kind of like a mix between a cardigan, sweater, and coat. So this is a little bit more bulky than I was thinking. Like, I feel like it's too bulky for me. Like, I just don't think I can pull it off that well. But I really like the idea. It might be better for me if I just wear it unclasped like that. More like open. Yeah, I feel like that might look better on me. I just don't think it's quite the best for my figure. And this is just an idea of what the back looks like. It is very different, but it's fun. This is from Blank NYC. It's a big, cozy, soft fur jacket, and I like the feel of this. And it doesn't feel like that type of fur that's gonna shed everywhere. Size medium, and this is $98. I do think that's reasonable for a faux fur jacket like this. These can be quite expensive, but in order to close this, there's this little clasp in the front. You can open it up, and it's a little hard to move around that fur, but it's nice and secure, so that's nice. I really love being different and taking my spring dresses and pairing them with fur coats like this, because it really makes them more of a winter item just by doing that. And it is different, but I love it. I love doing stuff like this. It has pockets. It's a nice cropped style. I really like that the collar kind of folds over like that. Sometimes an issue that I have with these faux fur jackets, especially the crop styles, is that the sleeves aren't long enough, but this one is perfect. Now we are down to my last item in the box, and it's a simple black cropped turtleneck, balloon sleeve, heavy knit sweater. And I love this crop style because with high-waisted jeans, this will be such a fun sweater to have in my closet. You don't have to flip it over and be constantly making sure that it's not uneven. You know, sometimes stuff like that can drive me insane. This would actually be perfect to wear right now because I wouldn't have to wear a coat if I wore this. So, and I like that it's black. I'm gonna go see how this looks on and consider keeping it. I love this look so much. I mean, even with these jeans, of course, but the sweater in itself is so comfortable. I did kind of stretch out the neck just a little bit, putting it over my head. But other than that, like, it's perfect. And it does go a little bit more cropped in the back, even more so than I think in the front, but I do like the look. That is everything for this unboxing today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you got some inspiration from this. There's some really fun fall pieces on there right now. Really excited about trying out some more boxes from them. And go follow me on the app if you do want to see more unboxings. I'll be sharing more clothing on the app. I know several of you tried out the FlipFit box, so I hope it's working out for you. Let me know if it is. And I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!